Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01439 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have opened the SQL Plus editor, logged in as a common user called c#scott. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay. Now I am selecting one table called employees 3. So it contains some records for the employee number and name column. So describe employees 3. So employee number column is a not null column, and name contains varchar2 size 15. Okay. So now what I am going to do, I am going to alter the table employees 3. Okay, alter table employees 3, modify name. So I am going to modify the name column to the number data type. Okay, so I am try to modify the name column to the number data type. So from varchar to number. Okay. So you can see error is getting thrown. ORA-01439 column to be modified must be empty to change the data type. So actually this error is thrown when you try to change the data type of the column which having the records. Okay. So either you empty the table, okay, or create the table newly. So that is the fix for this issue. Either you empty the column, that is or I have increased the size of the column. See here, this is another fix. I have increased the size of the column. So